Guys, magkakabit tayo ng power supply. Ito pa lang power supply natin ay 12 volts ang out. Maliit lang ito na amperahe. Yung in niya is 220, yung output niya is 12 volts. Ito yung madalas na ginagamit sa mga signage, sa mga LED strip. Basta yung may 12 volts na output na ilaw. Sa kung mag-DIY, sundin nyo lang ito. Yung L at saka N, dyan yung supply nyo. At saka yung positive negative, may nakalagay naman dyan, V minus at V plus. Yan yung positive at saka negative.
Looks so good, you can get it tonight. I'ma make you all mine. Oh yeah. I'm feeling tipsy, might let you lick it, baby.